said, "Hey man, is this your Skyline? It's got the same tags on the back." And sure enough, it was my Skyline. The kid had totaled the Skyline within a couple of days of owning it. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Anthony with SpeedPlus Garage. Today we're going to be taking around my 1967 Pontiac Firebird.
What we do here is go back.
I had a 1993 Nissan Skyline GTST that I imported from Australia about a year ago, and I was going to sell the car, and a guy offered to trade, and he sent me some pictures of it on Facebook, and it was a beautiful Firebird, and I was like, man, let's meet up and let's do this trade. And we met up about a couple hours away, and I liked the car, he liked what he saw, and we did a trade right then and there for the cars. So I've had this car for a little while now, and right after I sold the car, my Skyline, the guy, another guy had messaged me about the Skyline. He wanted to buy it, and I told him I sold it. A couple days later, after I had sold it, I got another message from the previous guy that wanted to buy the car, and he said, "Hey man, is this your Skyline? It's got the same tags on the back." And sure enough, it was my Skyline. The kid had totaled the Skyline within a couple of days of owning it. I mean, completely wrecked it. After all that work I did to import it here in America, and the car just got totaled out. I haven't taken it to the track yet. I just haven't had the time to get out there and do it.
Because with a beast like this, people are gonna want to know, quarter mile times.
Oh yeah. Yeah, people are gonna want to know quarter mile times, but this is more of it's a track car, but I haven't taken it. It's more, for me, it's more of a cruiser. This thing turns heads everywhere. I mean, anytime I drive it, somebody stops me and asks me to buy this car, or they ask me 800 questions. If I'm in a rush to go somewhere and I know I have to go to the gas station, I'm not driving this one.
Oh, it's really nice. I like the sound of the engine.
Yeah, it sounds good.
It coasts pretty decent. It's nice.
Huh? You wanna buy it? You buy it? Low price of $20,000.
Yeah.
Man, you just came up strapped, huh? You just walked up strapped. Use the streets.
But it's a beautiful car. Sounds really nice.
Real healthy.
Really healthy.
Oh, look at this guy staring.
It's got some good speed to her, some good pickup, turn signals. Everything works on the car. So I'm estimating about $20,000 in it. It's got a 355 it's got a 350 SBC punched out 355. Of course, your usual intake polycarb, exhaust, headers. It's got a external, it's got a fuel cell, external fuel pump, and it's got some Molly ignition, B&M shifter, the roll cage in it, brand new leather interior. It's also wired up for nitrous. Green button is actually for the nitrous. I haven't shot nitrous on the car, but it is wired for it. And that's the reason why there's a 350 in it now and not a 400, Pontiac 400 in it. It's also driving it is the Turbo 400 trans, so it's really good for street driving, you know, good peppy trans for street. It's a nice car, it's a beautiful car. I would love to keep it. However, I'm not gonna have the time to really give it what I want into the car, and I've got other things going on. So I'm really looking to kind of trade it for a nice diesel 4x4, something a little newer, 3500 dually, if I could. I've had a few offers for some mega cabs already, 2500s, but nothing that I've seen yet. No, I just got rid of a lifted truck, and that's the only reason why I'm looking for another one. I want something that's not really lifted. I don't want anything with a power commander on it, or you know, any kind of programmer. Yeah, nothing crazy.
Would you sell it?
And then yeah, so I was gonna say selling price. I would actually sell this car. I have it priced at $20,000. You know, that's the price I have. I'm expecting to get somewhere close to that for it. And you know, at that point, I'm not really making much of a profit in the car. I'm just, you know, kind of recouping my money back from it.